Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we are gonna learn how to share a Filmora project on your Android device. To share a Filmora project using your mobile device, follow the steps till the end of the video. First of all, tap open the Filmora application on your mobile device. From the first interface, if you have a saved project, you can go ahead and choose one of the projects from your draft. I'm gonna choose one of the existing projects to share. Once you open up the project and you load it up on your timeline, make necessary edits and tap on the export button at the top right hand corner. Choose the export settings such as resolution, format, if prompted, and then click on the Pro Export or the Free Export option at the bottom, according to your plan. Filmora will now process the project and save it as a video file to your device's storage. Wait for the process to complete, and after it is done, you can share it directly from the app or from your phone's gallery. If you want to share it from your app, simply go ahead and tap on the three dots on the right hand corner of the screen. This will then take you to this pop-up from where you can go ahead and choose the platform you want to share it to. You can choose between Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, or any other app installed on your phone. Choose any one platform of your choice and then share it directly with your friends. And that's how you can easily share a Filmora project using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.